Which Eufy security camera is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that can keep your home safe and sound. Product number 1. Eufy Security 2K Indoor Cam. Let's kick things off with the Eufy Security 2K Indoor Cam. Priced at just $27.99, this renewed camera caught my eye because of its impressive features for the price. If you want an indoor security solution that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its 2K resolution, which means you can zoom in and clearly identify faces from up to 30 feet away. That's a big deal if you want to keep an eye on your home and recognize who's coming in and out. Plus, with its AI capabilities, it can differentiate between humans and pets, only recording when it matters. Imagine not having to sift through endless footage of your cat lounging around. Now, I did come across some feedback that the camera can struggle with connectivity at times, especially if your Wi-Fi is spotty. Here's the deal though. If you have a reliable network, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still an excellent choice for anyone looking for smart home integration with Alexa or Google Assistant. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space or want to monitor your pets when you're away. Skip this one if you need outdoor surveillance or have a larger area to cover, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the connectivity issue with the indoor cam worries you, the next product on our list might just be the solution you need. Product number 2, SoloCam S222 Cam Pack. Next up is the SoloCam S222 Cam Pack, priced at $119.99. This bundle caught my attention because it offers 2 cameras without the hassle of monthly fees. If you want continuous outdoor monitoring without ongoing costs, this is worth a serious look. What makes this camera stand out is its solar power design. Just 3 hours of sunlight keeps it running, which means you place it anywhere without worrying about battery life. Plus, its 2K resolution ensures clear visuals day and night. The AI alerts you to movement, so whether it's a package delivery or an uninvited guest, you'll always be in the loop. However, some users mentioned that the motion detection could be overly sensitive, triggering alerts for small animals. But here's the thing. If you adjust the sensitivity settings, you can fine-tune it to your environment, making it a more effective tool for home security. This is perfect for you if you want a simple-to-install outdoor solution that won't incur additional fees. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like facial recognition, but overall, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive outdoor coverage. Product number 3, SoloCam S340. Now, let's talk about the SoloCam S340, retailing for $199.99. This one really impressed me with its dual lens setup and 3K resolution, providing ultra-clear visuals. If you want to eliminate blind spots while monitoring your property, this is worth a serious look. The camera offers 360 degrees coverage, meaning you can pan and tilt it to cover all angles. This is crucial if you have a large area to monitor, as you won't miss any important details. The solar-powered feature ensures it's always ready to go, and the installation is super quick, taking just about 7 minutes. However, some users pointed out that it can be quite challenging to set up the solar panel correctly. Honestly, this part frustrated me a bit too, but once it's set up, it does run smoothly and consistently. This is perfect for you if you have a larger outdoor space that needs constant surveillance. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but the quality and features justify the investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced in terms of connectivity, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, 4G LTE Cam S330. Moving on to the 4G LTE Cam S330, priced at $199.99. This one is a game changer for those of you who might not always have Wi-Fi access. If you need a camera that can function off the grid, this is worth a serious look. The dual-mode connectivity is fantastic, automatically switching between 4G and Wi-Fi for uninterrupted access. That means you can position it anywhere without worrying about losing the signal. And with 4K resolution, you can easily identify details from far away, like license plates or faces. Now, A downside some users mentioned is the requirement for a data plan if you're using it solely on 4G. Here's the thing though. If you often find yourself in areas without reliable Wi-Fi, the data plan is a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you live in a rural area or need surveillance on the go. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, but the capabilities are hard to beat in this niche. Lastly, if you want a simpler, cost-effective option, the next product may align more closely with your needs. Product number 5, SoloCam S220 Solar Camera. Finally, we have the SoloCam S220 Solar Security Camera, available for $59.99. This is the budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. If you need an affordable outdoor camera with solid features, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is its solar charging capability, which keeps the camera running with just 3 hours of sunlight a day. Plus, the AI human detection alerts you if someone's in your yard, so you're always informed. The infrared LEDs ensure you get clear images at night, which is crucial for after-dark security. However, some people noted that the resolution isn't as high as other models, being only 2K. But honestly, for the price, it's still pretty great. You're getting essential features without the hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable outdoor surveillance. Skip this if you need higher resolution or advanced features, but it's a smart pick to enhance your security. So there you have it. 5 fantastic options from Eufy that cater to different needs and budgets. In summary, the Eufy 2K Indoor Cam is excellent for indoor monitoring, while the SoloCam S222 Cam Pack provides great outdoor coverage without monthly fees. The SoloCam S340 offers expansive coverage with 3K clarity, and the 4G LTE Cam S330 is perfect for those needing off-grid functionality. Lastly, the SoloCam S220 is a solid budget option. Each one has its strengths, so consider your specific needs when picking the right camera for your home.